Have you been looking for how to store your crayfish for a long time without freezer, not fridge? No worry, let me show you how to achieve that. September 2025, and you know this time every year crayfish is always in season. As such, is always very much affordable compared to the previous month. So I went to the market and I got a large quantity of crayfish, as you can see. There are measures and there are steps for you to achieve this storage without spoilage. Okay, over the years I've used different methods, but this is the most effective one for me. As such, I worry less. If coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, comment, like and share. Let's proceed. I usually do is to fry crayfish, like toast it, fry it until your hands can just break it easily. As you can see, this frying method does not only enable you to remove the chaff easily, it also enhances the taste of the crayfish. So once you notice that your hand can break it easily, next thing is to spray it just like this. Spray it and allow it to cool off first before you can take on the next action. Basically, I like to make sure everything is fried first before I proceed to the next one. Just as you can see, if you have multiple points of cooking, it will enable your work to be very fast, just like you see us do so right now. How have you been storing your crayfish over the years? Please let me know in the comment section, because me, I've been using the freezing method, freezer method, fridge method, and whatever. It didn't work perfectly, but this is just it. As you can see, make sure everything is well chilled, like it cools off before you can proceed. These are the quantity of crayfish I fried. You can see how plenty it is. It's affordable now, so if you are thinking of getting crayfish in large quantity, worry less. This is the next step. Once you are done frying and you've seen that the crayfish has cooled off, it doesn't actually take time to cool off, okay? Now begin to sieve it. See, the essence of frying it is to enable the chaff and the crayfish be easily cleaned. The chaff will go off easily, and you can also pick out the seashells or whatever dirt is in it. Then grab a big container like this, depending on the quantity of crayfish you want to use. See, another method of removing the chaff, you can see it's so easy to remove. Myself, I like to strictly or carefully select to remove any debris, any form of dirt. This to enable my crayfish, whenever I want to use, it will be easy and seamless, stress-free, okay? So this method worked for me to remove the chaff. After that, I select, then go ahead and package it in containers, Ziploc. Guys, this is the perfect way to store your crayfish for months without having any issue. These are the chaff I brought out from this crayfish. Of course, the quantity of crayfish I selected was very plenty. Okay, if you know what you can do with this chaff, please let me know in the comment section, because they are really dirty. So once all of that are being selected, I package in my container. Just make sure your container is airtight. As such, I like to add nylon on top of it. I like to cover it with nylon just like this. You see, then this is the one I'll be using. From here, I will take the one I want to cook with and then refill it once it's finished. Guys, this is so easy to achieve. Will you be trying this method? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, follow, like and share this video for more people to see how to take care of their crayfish and store it for a long time. Bye.